Hi, I'm Drew McLean.
And I'm Jacob Schreiber, and we're the developers of MySyllabiMadison.
Our initial idea was simply to create an application where students would be able to download their course syllabus on the first day of class. We looked into the idea and saw that no one else had any website or application that was even close to our concept. As we looked into the idea further and further, we saw that it had a lot greater reaches than simply the college classroom. We saw that it could be used in student organizations, clubs, fraternities, sororities, different businesses, or even sports teams, or any other group that had a calendar to distribute.
What truly makes MySyllabiMadison innovative is how we created it to work. We wanted to develop a database that allowed for instructors to easily store their syllabus online. We then wanted to create an interface that allowed for students and users to easily download that information to their calendar. But we didn't want to be like any paper syllabus. We wanted the events stored inside the user's calendar to change as an instructor makes changes online. To do this, we created a process that directly links a student's calendar to our servers at MySyllabiMadison. So now when an instructor makes any kind of change to the syllabus online, all changes will appear inside that student's calendar as soon as they update it. This creates an interaction between students and professors that has never been seen before in technology, and it's a feature that we're very excited to see where it will go. Now that we have shared with you some of the heart and mind behind MySyllabiMadison, let us show you some of our great features. Welcome to MySyllabiMadison. To create a calendar, go to the Features tab and click Create. Once here, you'll be asked to log in. If you have not already created a login, you'll be prompted to do so. Once logged in and accessing the calendar creation page, you will be asked to choose which kind of calendar you would like to create: a basic schedule, a simple syllabi, or an advanced syllabi. Each of their descriptions are listed beneath them, and they will help you find out which kind of calendar you want to create. When you have decided on your calendar type, click Create. After a calendar has been created, it will be added to our database. To access your created calendar, click Download from the Features tab. Once here, you'll be prompted to enter a calendar code. A calendar code can be found by using our Search Calendar database, or will be directly given to you by your professor. Once on the download confirmation page, verify that the calendar details that appear coincide with the calendar that you are trying to download. Once this is done, it is time to download your calendar. To download your calendar, scroll down to the heading that matches the device that you are currently using. Because I'm using a Mac laptop, I'm going to scroll down to the Downloading to Mac section. Once you have reached the appropriate heading, you will need to follow your own specific directions. For me, I need to click the Download to Mac button. After the button is clicked, iCalendar automatically opens up, and I am asked to subscribe and verify my calendar. After I do, all of the events stored in MySyllabiMadison automatically import into my calendar application. And even better than this, because I subscribe to my calendar instead of downloading it, if any event is changed in MySyllabiMadison, the events in this calendar will automatically be changed accordingly. To show you this, I'm going to edit a calendar by clicking Edit in the MySyllabiMadison's Features tab. Once on the Edit Calendar page, all of the calendars that you've created on MySyllabiMadison will appear below in the table entitled Your Calendars. To edit a calendar, simply click the little red icon next to the calendar name. Because this is the calendar that we just downloaded and the one that I currently have in my calendar, I'm going to click Edit. After a user clicks Edit, they will be asked to verify that they wish to proceed because all calendar changes are permanent. Once a user is on the Editing Your Calendar page, they will be allowed to change all aspects of their calendar, like calendar name, identifier, or description. The user will also be allowed to change all calendar events that they have made in the past, or even add a new event to their calendar. To change an event, simply click the little red icon next to the event name. Once the user is on the Editing an Event page, they will be allowed to change any aspect of the event that they wish to change, like the event name, description, date, or time. Here I'm going to change the event description and date and click the red Save Changes button. After the button is clicked, all changes that the user made will be applied to the MySyllabiMadison servers. Now to show you how these changes will interact with the user, I will go to my calendar. Notice the event description and date. After the calendar is refreshed, the event moves to its new date and time, and the description is changed. Although this is just a portion of what MySyllabiMadison offers, we hope you enjoyed the demo.
MySyllabiMadison has completed beta testing mode, and we are now officially a fully functioning website.
We are expecting to launch at the beginning of spring semester at the end of January. We already have several professors, TAs, development directors, businesses, fraternities, and sororities who are backing MySyllabiMadison and have pledged to use us after our initial launch. Over the first few weeks following release, we are expecting to reach several thousand students, and we're excited to see if you become one of the users who checks us out real soon.
Click on the link below to see all that MySyllabiMadison has to offer.